Hi, my name is Shamla Sharat and my register number is UA15CS356. So today we are going to see about collaboration diagrams and how they are implemented using the application of online course registration system. So normally in the Star UML, a collaboration diagram can be easily converted. But before we go into that, let's see what collaboration diagram is. Now, collaboration diagram is nothing but a representation which is used to describe the objects and the interaction between two objects and the messages how they are sent, and also the sequence of messages that are sent between one object to the other. Now you have it is similar to sequence diagram. It just doesn't have any timeline for it. Now the classifier role is nothing but the object which an object or a character or a role. The association is used to communicate with between each other. Communication between two objects can be implemented using the association. Self-association is to describe the interaction between the same object within itself. Then you have the forward message and reverse message, which is going to show the messages, the direction in which the message is being sent, like from which object to which. So that is going to be described using your forward and reverse messages. Now normally if you have already drawn your sequence diagram, a collaboration diagram comes after the sequence diagram. So if you have already drawn the sequence diagram in SAR UML, it can be easily converted into collaboration diagram by going to the model and giving the convert diagram option, where you can convert the sequence diagram into a collaboration diagram, and vice versa, that is collaboration diagram to sequence diagram. But I've drawn this directly without any conversion. So let's see how it is. So we have four different objects, which is something with the student, the course catalog, online registration, and the billing system. Now these are the objects that are used. These are the objects, and between them are the communication. The interaction that happens between each other. So you have the forward message and the reverse message going on between two objects, or just a forward message or just a reverse message going on between two objects. So it can be either this or that, depending on your application. So here I have an interaction between the student and the course catalog. We have a forward and reverse message. So we have the in forward message, that is from the student to the catalog. You have the request catalog, and the reverse message is the interaction from the course catalog to the student, which is nothing but display the professor details, display the department, and also the prerequisites. So this is the reverse message. Then you've got an interaction between the online registration and student, where it is a reverse message from the online registration to the student, where the online registration offers 4 courses to the students. Then similarly, within the student you have a self association, and you have a forward message into it, where the student can be able to change their schedule, or add a course or a drop a course. So all of these can be done within the student, and hence we have used the self association role, and this is a forward message. Then you have the billing system, which is then you have the online registration system, which has a self loop itself, where the courses can be filled or cancelled within the course registration. Then you have the billing system, where there's a forward and a reverse message between the student and the billing system, which provides where the student pays the bill, that is a forward message, and the billing system, the reverse messages from the billing system to the student, where the billing system provides credit to the students who have already dropped their courses, that is pay them back, and also bills the students according to their course registration. So this is the overall description of a collaboration diagram for an online course registration system, and thank you.